Hello, my name is Carlton. This is my YouTube page. For the most part, my YouTube page is just a bunch of little random things, except for when it comes to the iPad. Um, my first video on this particular iPad was immediately after getting it in 2016, December of 2016, I believe, and I was about 10 to 20 pounds lighter, bigger now and stronger. Urgh. The thing is, I love this, I like it, and I think it's gonna last a very long time. I got a shield on it, and I got a shield on the front, and I've got a clear case on the back, and I find that this thing here is pretty darn good. What I'm gonna do is give you a unboxing of something different. Went to the Apple store yesterday. I got another one. So, I don't know if you know this, but in my videos, what I've done is I am replacing my old one, which is really not that old at all. This is like the 2015 version with the new 2017 version. There's two reasons for doing this here. Number one, I want something faster. Number two, I'm giving this to me mom. My good old mom. She's gonna love this here. It's a nice device. 32 gigabytes, it was awesome. And that is one of the things that we're gonna possibly yap about a little bit, because instead of me getting the 2017 64 gigabytes, I did the math. So this is what I found out. If you buy the 64 gigabyte, which seems like a great deal over the old device, you're still gonna pay at least $7.99 for the big 12.9 inch. But you're paying a lot per gigabyte. This is how much you're paying. If you get the same version of the new machine at 256 as opposed to 64 gigabytes, you end up paying this much instead per gigabyte. So therefore, if you get the base model, you're kind of getting robbed. And after playing with the old machine for a year, I realized this darn machine could last forever. Now, the reason I say it could last forever is because I have used this machine and gauged it against my old 2011 MacBook Pro 13 inch. This thing is okay for photo editing and stuff like that. When it comes to video editing, it's not that good, especially when you start dealing with 4K. You got a lot more memory and all the other stuff. Whereas, ironically, my old tablet did it flawlessly. So I was using this to slice and dice stuff and then make the minor modifications over there. Kind of weird. Which makes this even more powerful than before. I don't know. We'll find out. But like I said, this is the unboxing. This is blah, 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 yakety smack stuff that I may actually get rid of. So let's slow this whole thing down and make some tea. This is for the next video. Oh my God. Okay, so we're going to slow this down here. I slow things down by having a little something to drink. Blueberry tea. It's drink time, people. There's a little bit of lemon in here too. It's very, very nice. I like that. So, as usual, I bought my favorite knife, only knife. This is the iPad Pro 12.9 inches, and we're about to unbox it. I don't want to. Oh, can we see it on the screen? Yeah, we can. I don't want to, do like a whole bunch of horrible cuts and all the other things. So I'm just gonna slice in a couple of places. Just get in there, get this thing open. This is really good. It's pinkies up good. And it should just slide right open. Oh my God. Okay, so this little tab, you just pull this up here, and just like last time, there's your device. It's got like a little screen over it and everything. You want to keep it protected while it's being shipped. I understand that. Oh my God. And hang on. Twin blades! Okay. Again, this thing is ultra freaking thin. You see how thin that is? That is scary, scary thin. So I'm going to place this here. So this is the device. Oh my God, it's so light. And of course, you get the Apple iPad cable, which is nice. You also get the instructions. Nobody actually read those things. And then you get the cute little... This is smaller than before. This is the part where I hit pause. Nope, it's the same size. I'm just hallucinating. That's all. Okay, good enough. So here is the charger for it as well. It is nicely packed in here, and that's it. That's what you unbox. It's really not a lot to it. When you buy one of these devices, you get the device, you get the cable, you also get one of these here. Probably the most amazing thing that I've heard about this but have not used yet is the screen is faster and the screen looks better than the previous. And we'll look into that in just a little bit to figure out whether it does or does not, because before I give this to my mom, before I give that one to my mom, I'm basically going to hold on to it for a couple of weeks, set it up for her. After I set it up for her, I'm gonna send it to her, but during that time, I can actually test it to see which is faster and so forth. That's all I got about this one. I'm going to kick back and check this out and see what it'd be like. So we can turn this thing on here. Still got the shield on this one here. Is it on? Come on, turn on. Does it work? There it is. Okay, let's turn it on. It's the first time I'm turning it on. It's gonna be interesting. Oh, this is so good. Hello. It said hello. Okay, get out of here. I gotta go. I got stuff to do now. English. Set up new. Oh. Wait a minute. They're talking to each other. What the hell? My mind is blown. Please hold your iPod camera up. Wait. Hang on, how do you do this? How do you do this? Holy shit. What? Holy shit. You can't see my password. More drink. Get out of here. Wait, this was unexpected. Okay, this is what's going on right now. Let me explain this here. I turned on this iPad, was already on. This one also turned on. They recognized each other instantly. Oh my God. Get it off. Get it off. Get it off. Goodbye. You just hang on now. You just hang on. All right. He wants me to basically put in my fingerprint because I only do like one finger. So if ever you wanted to steal my fingerprint and everything, just take my right thumb. You're good to go. Okay, so here's the thing. Oh my God, this is so weird. Once I turned this one on, once I turned the new iPad on, it realized I had another one. So they communicated temporarily for just one moment, and then it put up, would you like to transfer your information from one machine to the other? And I was like, what the H? And that's the reason I started cursing for a moment. I do apologize. I apologize. But the weird thing is, they communicated for just one moment, and after that communication, a strange white background with blue spherical um, particles. Spherical particles just started waving around, and it was an image that this device wanted to see to authenticate the two. I've never seen that before because I don't usually have this much expensive ass stuff in one place. Holy shit. Okay, let's calm down here for a second. So the old guy is saying we're good. The new guy is saying restore. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to restore it from iTunes back up. Which means I got to connect it to, oh, my plug is over there. This is clearly the end of this video now. You have to leave. Goodbye.